Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide, and I'm your Ramesh Kodumuru. As a part of our APM device form plugin series, in this video I'll provide the step-by-step details how to set up and configuration the APM device form plugin. So I'll explain each and every step here. Okay. So as a part of this series, so before that one, you can find all my scripts and all my work regarding the APM. Okay, in the GitHub, just type the APM GitHub. Okay, you'll find the my all the work which is related to APM. Okay, and if you want whatever I'm explaining my videos, or you can able to view as articles under the medium, just type the at the rate of APM guide. Okay, and you can just go through my blog, that is the APM guide by Kodmu Ramesh. Here you can able to see all my articles and videos based upon the concepts here. So I separated the each and every concept separately. Okay, so you just go through these steps and you can get the all the information about the this particular content here. You can just see I separated as articles and video series. Okay, so coming back to our topic here. So setup and configuration of the APM device form. So here as a part of this one, we are covering the 7 scenarios here. That is the prerequisites, install the plugin, start the APM server with device form plugin, and I will explain the command. So we'll break this command and explain each and every argument, what exactly the argument we are going to use and the use of the particular argument here. Okay, and apart also in what in different ways how we can write this command also. Okay, and we'll verify the auto connect device rest with the plugin. So before and after. Okay, so for that one already I started the one device now. Okay, so before launching, after launching, I will start one more device. Okay, so we just verify that device form plugin will automatically recognize this device or not. Okay, so verify that one, and we navigate to the device UI. Okay, and I'll explain the deep introduction to the device form UI. Okay, all these 7 topics we are going to cover in this video. Okay, the first one is the prerequisites. So what are the prerequisites we need to have to work with the device form plugin? The first is the APM 2.x to be installed. Java should be installed, and Node.js and NPM should be installed, and we should have the Android SDK. Okay, so first we verify this one, this particular softwares are installed or not. Okay, the first is the appium-b. Okay, to check the APM version. So APM version is 2.19.0, which is the latest version, and it matches our prerequisites here. And next is a Java. This type Java double version. So Java 11.0.21 is installed. Yes, now we verify the npm-b. So 10.5.0. Okay, now node-b. Just we are checking, cross checking the prerequisites. Okay, node the 22.17.0. Okay, all the prerequisites are installed here. Okay, now the next step is to install the plugin. So we had to use a command called apm. So before that one, before installing the plugin, I want to cross check that this plugin is installed or not. Okay, so I use apm. Okay, so verifying the plugin, so I have to use plugin list. By using list command, I can able to verify what all the plugins are installed in my system. So you can say the APM device form plugin is not installed in my system. Now I want to install the APM device form plugin in my machine. Okay, now I have to use command called APM. So what I am installing, I am installing a plugin. So I have to use plugin key, and I am installing here. So I have to use install and source double hyphen source. Okay, equal to npm. Okay, space the name of the plugin. So this is the same command we need to use for each and every plugin whenever you want to install the plugin. Okay, that's it. So apm plugin install double hyphen source npm appium-device-farm. Let's click on enter. So first of all, the plugin will verify the compatibility. If its compatibility is satisfied, then it will start installing the plugin. The same process will be followed for all the plugins under Appium. Okay, the installation takes some time here, some few seconds. That's it, because based upon our network speed. Just we wait so that the installation process would complete here. So make sure that all the prerequisites are satisfied in your machine. So already I started one Android emulator here. Okay, so it should automate detect this emulator when I start the device farm UI. So installation process is going on. Yes, it says plugin device-farm, that is the name of the plugin. At the rate of version is the 10.0.6 successfully installed. Okay, now once again I want to run the list command, that is the appium plugin list. So if we see now, the device-farm plugin name at the rate of version is installed. Previously it was not installed here. Okay, so we have installed the appium plugin, appium device-farm plugin. Okay, now the next step is to start the Appium server with the device farm plugin. Means if you want to use any plugin with Appium, we should start the Appium server explicitly. Okay, with the plugin. Okay, the same case applicable for the device farm plugin also. So this is the command we need to create and enter. Okay, that is the Appium server -ka 800. Okay, and use plugins, the name of the plugin -pa/wt/hub and plugin -device-farm-platform equal to Android. So I will explain each and every option here. Okay, so if you see the breakdown here, the appium server, this is the appium server. Okay, so you know, right, how to launch the appium server. You can just say you can launch the appium server by using the appium. Okay, just simply type the appium, you can launch server, or you can use the appium server. So both are valid commands. Okay, okay, that is the first part, appium server. What is KA800? That is the KA means keep alive time out. Okay, KA means keep time out. That is the set the keep alive timeout for HTTP request to 800 seconds. Okay, you can change it here. Okay, these are mandatory. You can change to as per your requirement here. 500 seconds, 600 seconds. Okay, helps to keep the long running sessions alive before timeout. Okay, better to keep higher value here. Okay, and I told that you can use the KA also, or you can type the argument double hyphen keep hyphen alive hyphen timeout and mention the seconds here. Okay, and next is the double hyphen use hyphen plugins equal to device farm. You know, right, when we want to use any plugin with our appium server explicitly, we need to provide the argument called use hyphen plugin and name of the plugin here. So same thing here. Okay, and we have the next one is the hyphen pa/wd/hub. Okay, what it mean by sets the base for appium roots. Typically, appium client sends commands to the wd hub. Okay, so this is the base path, or you can use the -pa, or you can use the double hyphen base hyphen path. Okay, this is the what about the wd hub. And next one is the plugin -device -farm -platform equal to Android. So what it means by This is the plugin specific argument passed to device form. Okay, it tells the plugin to manage the parallel test sessions only for Android devices. Suppose I want to work with the iOS, just you have to use iOS here instead of Android. Okay, so this is all about the each options we have break down and we understand the this one. So I told right, I show you how many ways you can able to write this command. Okay, just I have already drilled down here. See, this all the ways you can write it here. Okay, that is the APM server KA800. Okay, I can use it here. I told right, instead of APM server, I can type the APM also. Okay, and instead of KA, I can use the keep alive timeout. Okay, this is a way. And apart from that one, instead of hyphen PA, okay, before hyphen PA, I can use the base path. Okay, so all these things will be available in the article also, and make create an article in the medium. Okay, so we understand that the complete breakdown of the command to start the APM server with the device form plugin. Okay, and you can write this command in three different ways, four different ways you can write it here. Okay, all the commands will work. Okay, the next one is the will verify the auto connect device with the plugin before and after. Okay, so now I want to run this command. First of all, I want to run this command here. Okay. So choose any command from here. Okay. So I want to choose this command. Now I want to run the APM device form with the APM server here. Okay. So I had selected this one. I copied here and just go back to our. So just observe that I have the one Android emulator is already connected here. So before launch, one device is connected. So I'm using command appium-ka800 and a plugin device form and WD hub, and for Android I'm using here. Just click on enter. Okay. So I'm launching the APM server with the device form plugin here. So you can just see the logs. It says base path WD hub, timeout, keep alive, timeout is 800. Okay, and use plugin is a device form. Okay, this is a set of logs which is generated when you are using the device form here. Okay, it says APM REST interface listener started at this path. Okay, so this is the one. Now I had to open the device UI here. The next one is the device UI. Okay, navigate to device UI. So what is the device UI here? Okay, so navigate to localhost colon 4723 slash device form. Okay, so when we are using default port here, suppose you have customized your default port. Okay, you can just instead of 4723, you can type your port here. So just open the browser and type localhost. See, localhost colon 472 the port forward slash device form. Just click on enter. The UI will look like this. Okay, the device form, and already we have one Android emulator is already connected, so automatically it detects. So automatically it's going to detect the this one. So it has a Pixel 6 and emulator here, okay, which is generated by ADB devices, okay, and the IP address, everything he has given here, okay. And now we come back to the UI later, okay. Auto detector we are verifying here. So you see here, before launching this APM device form, okay, we already launched one Android emulator. So automatically auto connected happened. Okay, now I want to launch one more. So it has to recognize the device here. So just open the command prompt and I will give the path here. I'll give this path, enter, and I want to launch a Pixel 9 here. So now my Pixel 9 Android emulator will launch. Just wait for a few seconds so that the launch, yes, it will rebooted. This one, now I have two Android simulators here. Okay, and just here, just refresh here. Just a minute, we just navigate to this one. Yes, see, now the Android device form plugin auto detected my connected devices. In this case, I am using the Android emulator here. So previous it was Pixel 6, now it is Pixel 9. Okay, we have the option to use device block. Okay, I'll explain what exactly these options in our coming videos. Okay, now the next one is the we have to go through this UI. So I'll explain what exactly the UI contains. So device form, devices which are connected, okay, builds, okay, and apps, stats, servers, okay, and we have admin here. Just click on admin. So here also we have one tab called manage devices. So here also it provides the device, host, status, online, offline, usage, tags, access. So all this functionality I am going to explain one by one here. So what I want to use one device here. So click on use. Okay, automatically the particular device will be able to see in this UI here. Okay, just wait for it will go on to launch here. Okay, so in this video, you have seen what are prerequisites, install the plugin, start the Appium server with the device form, and I have explained the breakdown of the command, what exactly each and every argument and the uses of it, and I have shown you how many ways you can write this command here. Okay, so all these commands will work here. Okay, just I have shown the options here, and we have verified the auto connect device with the plugin and navigated the device UI and brief introduction to the UI. Okay, so this is all about this setup and configuration the device form plugin here. Okay, so now coming videos we'll see how to connect, how to do parallel testing, all these things I'm going to explain one by one. Okay, so if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.